Thousands of people have attended a rally in the Pakistani city of Lahore to call for the release of former Prime Minister Imran Khan. The demonstration was called by the party of the former leader, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Khan's been in prison for more than a year on what his party says are politically motivated charges. Kamal Haider has more from Lahore.
The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf had just 10 hours permission to hold that rally. They have been applying to hold a rally in Lahore. The government, of course, procrastinating on that issue. However, despite the fact that the government was discouraging people from reaching the venue, which was outside the city of Lahore, they were not allowed to hold a rally inside Lahore, despite the fact that other political parties have been holding major rallies inside the city. The PTI was not allowed that. And then exactly at 13 GMT, all the electricity connections were cut off. And of course, internet services were disrupted throughout the day because the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has a huge following on the social media, and that was an attempt to stifle the social media in order to discourage people from going to the venue. But this was indeed a success given those restrictions and challenges imposed on Imran Khan's party. He, of course, remains one of the most popular leaders, and the government is afraid that if he is released, they will, of course, be able to gather more strength across the country. However, the party is still determined, and it wants to continue with these protests until the release of their leader, Imran Khan. They say that the cases against him are based on frivolous charges and that he is going to be released sooner or later. But the government is delaying that release in order to gain more time because they're afraid that if Imran Khan comes out of jail, he will pose a serious challenge to the status quo. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Lahore.